Hey guys, welcome back to Creative Java Programming. In today's session, we are going to talk about how we can swap two numbers without using third variable. Right? So let's start the video. So what do you mean by swapping? Swapping refers to the process of exchanging the values of two variables. Like we are giving user input a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 10. Then what will be output? Should be then output should be a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 10, right? So what are the concepts we are going to use to implement that? See here, we are going to use arithmetic operators like addition and subtraction, multiplication and division, right? So let's start the video. So how we are going to implement that arithmetic operators like addition and subtraction? First, we will add both numbers x and y. After then, we will subtract y from the sum and again we subtract the new y from the sum. So let's start. So just launch your IntelliJ IDEA and let's start doing coding, right? So firstly we have to create a new Java project. So create new Java project, give project name swapping, right? So IntelliJ JDK 17 by default it is using, right? Generate code with onboard teams, unclick that, edit a sample code, unclick, right? So just click on create button. Now you can see here swiping project is created. So once project is created, go to src, just right click, go to new and create a package name p1, right? Select package, go to new and create a Java class. So I am giving class name swap, right? So let's create main method, type ma enter, right? So let's take two variable integer x is equal to 10 comma y is equal to 20, right? So first let's print this values SYOUT, shout, press enter, right? So pass the message before swiping, right? SOUT a is equal to plus a SOUT shout, b is equal to plus b. Sorry, here we have taken x and y, so we have to take the variables x and y, right? Now here is one, right? So before swiping, x is equal to x and y is equal to y. So let's write logic for swiping, right? So how we are going to swipe the variables without taking third variable, right? So first we will perform addition. X is equal to x plus y, right? And x is equal to x minus y and x is equal to x minus y. So first value is 10 plus 20 is equal to how? 30, right? So sum is 30. So x value becomes 30, right? Now again here we are subtracting x minus y. So what is the value of x? Here is 30. So 30, and what is the value of y? 20, right? Now value becomes 10. So here we have to pass y, right? X minus y. So what is the value of x here? 30. And what is the value of y? Y becomes 10 equal to 20, right? So y becomes 10 and x become 20, right? So let's print the values after swapping. So show ut press enter. A equal to a sorry x is equal to x SOUT so y is equal to plus y, right? Let's run the program and see the output. You can see it's giving me output. Before swiping, x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 20, and after swiping, x become 20 and y become 10. So here we have used addition and subtraction.